tonight at Axel's Kitchen is we are making Anginetti? Say it.
We called it Anginetti cookies.
Who's we?
Growing up as a kid, my uncle used to make.
These are Uncle Nick's Anginetti.
Yeah.
Is it Anginetti? Is it Anginette with
No.
an A?
No.
Anginetti?
Yes.
It's one word?
Yes. We called them Anginetti cookies.
We call them. We're French now. Anginetti cookies. They are also called Anise, right? Anise cookies?
Yes.
Well, what's the other word? Anise? Anise? I don't know. Anise, anise.
Anisette.
Anisette.
Form of
the
anisette.
flavor is anisette in the cookie.
Yes.
Right? But we're not putting anisette in the
No.
cookie. All right, so that's the flavor. Anyway, these are Uncle Nick's Anginetti cookies. Did I say it right?
Yes.
This time? Okay.
Yes.
I just don't, it doesn't flow off the mouth well. All right, so baby mama's gonna get the ingredients together. I did some shopping today, so we got some vanilla extract. You know we don't buy anything in a small quantity in this house, so here's our vanilla extract by the gallon, and what we do is we put them in some cleaned out, sturdy plastic bottles. So I'll be getting that stuff ready. Well, you get your stuff ready. All right. What are we doing?
Starting off with 3 eggs.
3 eggs. How many cookies is this gonna make?
About 40.
40. So we're making 40 cookies and we're gonna eat 20 while we're pulling them out of the oven. So you're making 20 cookies?
Yes.
Will this work for 20 cookies?
Yes. But they really won't be done till we ice them.
We're not icing tonight, right? Because they got to cool. They get an icing. Is the icing the anise flavor?
Both.
Both? In the cookie and in the icing?
Correct.
Huh. I don't think I like these cookies. I don't know.
Did you rinse out the funnel?
Yes.
Now we're on 3/4 cup of sugar.
Otherwise you would have got peach flavored.
3/4 of a cup of sugar.
The anise.
The anise.
The anise.
Oh, it's like vanilla, but anise.
Anise extract.
How much?
Anise.
Not anise, it's anise.
2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
Teaspoons, I apologize. Teaspoons.
Teaspoons of anise extract. Or anise. Can't you just use anisette? A little booze in it never hurt anybody.
Then we're doing 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Beat this together. Now we're going to add oil, milk, flour. For the flour, we're going to add 1 cup at a time.
While you're mixing?
Yes.
So you're going to put oil and milk? How
Yes.
much milk?
Um,
I'll get the milk, baby mama.
3/4 of a cup of oil.
There's a lot of oil.
That is
It's early. How much milk do I want?
1/2 cup.
What's up, Robbie? The big dummy's home. We're making Uncle Nick's Anginetti cookies.
Welcome back.
I don't know. We stand in front of the camera, dummy. That's why we call him Big Dummy.
My mother's uncle. He's a great uncle.
Grandma Fran's Uncle Nick. Alright, so we put the milk in, put the Earl in.
And now we're going to add the flour, 4 cups.
4 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time, really thick.
Perfect.
Alright, getting your workout for today now. Alright, what do we got next?
Actually nothing. We have to let this chill in the fridge for 20 minutes.
So we're going to mix it up good, throw it in the fridge. We get to have a cup of coffee and sit down.
Yep.
Can I lounge?
Yep.
Alright. And why we got to fridge it?
Because it gets to chill it so it's you can form the balls better.
The balls.
You roll them into balls.
Oh. I'm familiar with balls.
Alright, we're gonna let this, see how sticky it is? It needs to get cold. What are you making?
We are making Uncle Nick's Anginetti cookies.
Who's Uncle Nick?
I'm not sure.
He's a great uncle of my mother's.
I don't know, did I meet him?
Yeah.
Really?
No, so.
Okay.
Put this in the fridge.
Alright, so we're going to put our dough in the fridge about 20 minutes or so, let it chill, because she said it's got to be chilled to make the balls. Alright. Alright, so 20 minutes in the fridge, And we got our thick dough mixture even thicker, but now it's thick and cold. And we're gonna roll them into walnut size balls. You just smush the ball.
Yeah, because they're not be completely.
So it's a smushed ball.
Yeah, like a.
It's a sphere. So she takes the ball and rolls it into a round walnut-sized ball, and then gives it a little smush that makes it a sphere. You really should be gentle with the balls.
See, my uncle made snakes, like a bullseye.
So Uncle Nick made snakes instead of balls.
He made it like a bullseye. You can't make them.
Oh, they grow. Okay, I didn't know they grow.
Well,
They grow a little. All right, so we went 14 minutes, you said? 14 or so. It seems like our oven's a little slow. So we went 14 minutes. So 14 minutes, they are white, you're right. They're white up top. Let's see what the bottoms look like. They almost look raw up top, don't they? Oh, they are, like golden brown. You did pretty good, baby mama. All right, so what are we gonna do with them?
we're just gonna put them on a pan to cool.
Pan? That's a funny looking pan.
You know what I mean? A cooling rack.
Rack.
Put them on a rack to
They're not gonna go
cool.
stale on us, are they?
No, we're gonna cool them and then we're gonna put them in a Tupperware
In a Tupperware?
until we're
Or
ready to
tin?
ice them. Tin, Tupperware, it doesn't matter.
Same shit?
Same,
Same.
same,
Same stuff.
same stuff, whatever you wanna use.
All right. So cool them, put them in a tin or Tupperware, and then ice them the day of or the night before.
Yeah, because otherwise then they can get a little melty and the sprinkles run into each other.
No, she says Uncle Nick used to make like a log. Still, you know, he used to roll a little log, like a pretzel stick,
Yeah.
right? And then kind of curl it, and it actually looks like the poop emoji.
But we're making cookies.
But it's a cookie.
Yes,
You put chocolate icing on it, and it's the poop emoji. All right, let me see what those bottoms look like. You know, you held it off camera. Don't move. Yeah, so the bottom is a light golden, and the cookie looks raw. Really?
Mom! 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 Mommy, that's how things break!
Is that the wire to your phone?
Yeah.
That's how this shit breaks.
Dad!
Get away from me.
Get away from me.
Wanna watch a movie? I don't know, see it's on Netflix.
All right, so it's been a day and a half.
The Fire Stick Wonder.
It is the day before Christmas Eve, so it's Christmas Eve. And we are going to serve these cookies tomorrow night,
Go.
right?
Yes.
So we're at less than 24 hours from serving, and that's when baby mama likes to ice them.
Go.
All right, so for the icing, we got the cookies. The cookies are in the Tupperware. They've been in the Tupperwares for a day and a half now, I guess it is. When did we make this? Today's what, Saturday? We made them Thursday night?
Yes.
Today's Saturday, we made them Thursday night. We're gonna have them tomorrow night, Sunday night, Christmas Eve. Baby mama!
Yes.
What are we putting in this icing? How are we making the icing?
2 cups of confectionery sugar, a teaspoon of anise, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk.
Milk?
Correct.
Regular whole milk?
Regular milk.
I always thought it was water.
This recipe calls for milk.
Okay, it calls for milk.
So once the icing dries, you can return it to the Tupperware you had it in, or you can put it on a pretty Christmas plate before serving. And once again, these are Uncle Nick's Anginetti cookies. That's it for tonight from Axel's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.